how to recover your Facebook account. So if you think that your Facebook account has been hacked, or if you think that someone else is using your account, I'm here to help you guys to fix the problem. So without any delay, just start the video and make sure to watch the video till the end. First, we need to go to Chrome. If you're using iPhone, you can use Safari as well, but in this video I'm using Chrome. Open your Chrome and type Facebook account support chat. All right, search this and then enter. After that, you will find a bunch of results, out of which you need to press the first one, which says m.facebook.com. Don't use the one without the m1. As you can see, this is a regular one. Go for the m1, and then you will find these options. As you can see, from here you need to go to these three lines, right? Tap the three lines and then manage your account, and from here you need to tap this option login and password. So as you can see, we have entered to this page, a lot of options. From here we need to tap this option which says fix a login problem. Tap here. Now you will find this option called password help. From here, see this option, recover your account if you can't access the email address or mobile number on this account. So I'm assuming that you guys don't have access to both your mobile or the email. You forgot which account, which number you are using, or which email address. So I'm assuming that this is the problem. So yeah, I'm choosing this option. So then after that, scroll down, and you will find this option called other useful resources. And then the first option, take a look at this login troubles or tips. You need to tap this option. From here you will find this option. So this is the mobile web help. If it may be in different font. If you are using iPhone, it will tap it will show you this option. So for me it's showing this. For some of you it may show Android help, app help. So yeah, let's choose the one. From here you will find this option. If you have troubles finding your account, use this finding your account page. Okay, tap here, and from this page scroll down, and if you think that your account was taken over by someone else, let us know. Tap this option, wait for some time. All right, now from this page, as you can see, it says hacked account. From the first option, if you think that your Facebook account was hacked, someone else using without never, tap here and then try guide help. Start this process. Now Facebook will ask you some questions. You just need to answer it according to your needs. So now from here we will choose the option which says someone use my, or so someone else gain access to my account. This is the first option. Let's choose this option, and from here, no, I can't log in. And from here, no, I don't have access to the phone number, email ID on this account. Tap here, and then finally Facebook will try to identify you. Tap here. Now this is the final step. In here you just type the name of the account. If you don't remember the email ID or the phone number, just type the name of the account. Let me show you in desktop side. Just type the name of your account and then search. All right, don't worry, even it is saying that type your email or phone number, you can use your name instead. All right, and then type the search button. Then you will be asked to choose your profile among a list of other profile. just choose your profile, and then Facebook will ask some verification questions. You just need to answer them, and if you successfully gave them their answer, you will recover your account. So yeah, that's how you recover your Facebook account. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.